Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today I'm bringing you a 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan Wolfsburg edition. This particular one is pure white on the exterior with Titan black leatherette with orange stitching on the interior. It features keyless entry on 2 doors, LED headlights, incandescent turn signals, LED running lights. The classic Tiguan front end here with the 3-rib design, faux air intakes down here at the base, Tiguan flare on the quarter panels. These are 18-inch NIZA wheels. They're NIZZA from 2018 Tiguan SELs and 2019 Tiguan SELs. That nice bow line down the side, it goes into the door handles. Up into the top of the tail lights, it says Tiguan. Right beneath the logo, this one has a chrome bumperdillo down at the base, and it also says 4Motion off to the right. There's no SE or anything here. So this is going to be equivalent to an SE Tiguan with some few exceptions here. Let's take a look at the inside. Well, first, there's a look at your Wolfsburg edition medallion right there, and it says Volkswagen right below that there. As we open this up here, the same wood grain pattern on the door panel right here. It's a metallic piece right here with a wood grain pattern on it. You do also have black leatherette on the door panel here with orange contrast stitching. Same with the arm pad right here. Bottle and cup storage here. A power lift gate where you lift up on that button right there, and that's going to open that rear hatch. And then I can lift up and hold, and that'll close that hatch as well. Stainless steel scuff plate right here. You do also have leatherette right here with the contrast orange on the side. Power lumbar, forward, back, up and down. Seat back adjust right here. Orange stitching on the arm pad there as well, and also on the headrest here. As I climb in here, there's a look around. Nice flat dash here. Storage bin right here. Digital cockpit just like you had before. Automatic headlights here. Coin box for storage down here. And then it's an adjustable steering wheel right here. I can pull out, push in, raise it, lower it, set it where I need it, and then lock it back. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this car. You do have that there. You do get a phone tray down here, but you don't have wireless charging. On this one, backlit shifter here so you can see what gear you're in right there. 2 USB-Cs down here that are backlit so you can see them at night. But you do single zone climate control here with the dials. No capacitive touch for this one, but you do get heated seats for both driver and passenger. The backup camera right here. Now you do have trajectory steering, so I can turn that wheel left, I can turn that wheel right, and the yellow line moves accordingly. The red line signifies where my hatch opens and the bumper is, and the green line signifies straight back. This digital cockpit here, I've gone over this in a number of them. You got 3 main views here. There's your tachometer. There's your blended screen there, which I can edit and tailor just by hitting the tab here and arrowing down or arrowing up and changing what's displayed here. I can do fuel economy, and then over to the right side I can do the same thing. Driving data, no display settings, compass. Actually, I'll go with compass here. So I have that over here on this side. Temperature gauge is right here. Fuel gauge is over here. And then you do also get the e-brake setup right here. And this being all-wheel drive, you have the snow mode. You also have Eco, Normal, Sport, and Custom right here on the screen. You can touch there, or you can actually push the button and select it. Off-road, and then Off-Road Custom. And Off-Road Custom is going to allow me to tweak different things here. Hill descent control, hill start assist, all-wheel drive, steering, drivetrain, adaptive cruise control. I can change all of that stuff. I'm going to go ahead and turn it back to the roadway there. So I'm going to put it back on Eco. So we have that right there. I'm actually going to do Normal. That way the auto start stop doesn't get triggered. There's the auto start stop kill switch right there. Cup holders, same as they are in a regular Tiguan SE. This one's a little taller than this one here, so you don't have lids battling for supremacy. You got coin storage right here. That wood grain finish, or that pattern, continues across into the door panel there. Now, one thing that's different about this than the regular SE, this like the SER line, has ambient lighting. You have 30 color ambient lighting in this one, so I change it from automatic to manual. I can change the color. I always go to purple. There's a look there, purple ambient lighting there. I will have to do one of these at night or check on one of these at night, but I think that's going to cover the phone tray down here as well. And I don't know if that goes into the doors or not, but it does change up here and it does change here. This one does have an auto-dimming home link mirror with 3-door garage door memory and a digital compass right there. A vanity mirror on each side that's LED. A light gray headliner here. And this one does have the panoramic sunroof. I just pushed that button there. It is an option on this car. Tinted glass for the sunroof. There's your sunshade, goes all the way back right there. This pane of glass stacks on top of that one there and opens up. I'm not going to open that now. I don't want any of that water that's on top to come in, but you do get that there. The storage bin right here, it's deep. You've got a bit of storage in there, and then the arm pad, of course, trimmed out with that orange. Let's take a look at the back. It's a little windy today and a little raw, but I wanted to make this video anyway. $36,188 is the total on this one. Extras on this one include $1,200 for the power tilting and sliding sunroof, $405 for auto dimming home link mirror, $368 for a Tiguan protection package, which includes monster mats, heavy duty trunk liner and cargo blocks, and the luggage net for the cargo area, and then $295 for a 3rd year prepaid maintenance. $1425 for destination brings you to $36,188. We open this guy up back here, more orange stitching back here on the seats. Also in the arm pad back here, this is soft touch leatherette right here, and then on the arm pad as well, bottle and cup storage right there. And as I climb in here, I'm wearing boring walrus socks today, as you can see that right there. There's a pocket here and a pocket here, sculpted seat here, and I want to shut this door. Listen to the sound. Solid. There's a look up at your panoramic sunroof right there. There's your instrument cluster and infotainment screen right there, a shifter down there. You do have vents back here for your rear passengers as well. Lots of leg room here. I'm going to open this door again so you can see all the leg room I have here. Easily 6 inches of knee space back here. Bottle and cup storage in the door panel over there. Car seat hookups here and also over here on this side. Fold down armrest in the middle that's squishy yet firm. Now this middle seat does fold down. You just push that button right there and fold that guy down. Now you have a pass-through right here. Steel plate reinforcements on the back of all 3 seats back here in the back. So in the event of a crash, no one's injured in these seats when cargo at the back at impact goes forward into the back of the seat here. Those car seat hookups are nice right there. Adjustable headrests on all 3 seats. Let's take a look at the rear trunk. There's another look at those wheels right there. And back here, right between a G and a U, just squeeze right there. That opens that rear hatch. There's a look through from the back to the front. Your panoramic sunroof right there. Instrument cluster infotainment screen from there. These seats do fold flat, or they fold 95% flat here. They don't go completely flat, but there's about a 5% difference there. I can just pull on this little lever right here, pull, and that seat will go flat. And you have to give it a good pull. It's going to feel like you're going to break it, but it'll go forward. And then you just click those down in place. There's your rubber mat kit there, front license plate bracket there we put on request. Cargo blocks right here and a luggage net right there. Cargo protection system right here underneath the floor. There's your spare tire and jack apparatus off to the sides. You do also have a bag hook on the right side, and you have a recessed trunk light on the left side there with a 12-volt charger port right here as well. Here's the button to close the hatch, and that's an adjustable lift gate as well. This car will come with a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty on it from Volkswagen. It's 4 years, 50,000 miles, and include 3 years of included maintenance. Also, if you buy from me at Bommarito St. Peter's, I'm going to give you an additional 3 years of free maintenance for a total of 6. That's a local deal only. You'll have to come to my dealership to redeem those additional 3. Also, if you buy from me at Bommarito St. Peter's, remember, you can fly in and drive out. I'll pick you up at the airport. We'll give you a 10-year, 200,000-mile nationwide engine and powertrain warranty free of charge. 10-year, 200,000-mile nationwide engine and powertrain warranty is free of charge. So if you're interested in this car or another one like it, give me a call. 636-290-4257. 636-290-4257. I'm on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Reese Sells Cars. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a great day.